How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in. Just want to go over here our Ford fog light plug and play auto flasher kit for the 21 to current Ford F-150 with the premium fog light that has the DRL stripe around it. You must have the nice white DRL stripe to run the DRL fog light kit. It comes, as shown here, module, 10-foot extension, plug and play connector for each fog light. As you can see, the 4-pin fog light connector for the premium fog light with the white DRL strip. We've got a 15-foot 18.5 extension for the power control side of it, and we've got waterproof connections for that as well. Your field seam right here is to be made with these waterproof connections. The other end of this wire goes to your switch. That wire has all of the functions on the auto flasher, which is also written on the back for your convenience. Plug and play at each fog light. The only connections you're responsible are the field seam here for the power extension cable, as well as the end of this connected to your switch and ground for activation. Of course, you'll never lose your factory function on the auto flasher. You'll always remain able to use your lights for factory use whenever you're not in emergency mode. But when you hit the switch, the auto flasher will allow strobing on 29 different patterns. Once again, the auto flasher module for the Ford F-150 2021 and newer fog lights with the premium daytime running light circuit. Thank you.